Woodpeckers' new woodworking rules have been designed specifically for woodworkers who require a rule that is straighter, heavier, sits flatter, is easier to handle, and has both a standard and center scale to make your furniture, box, or cabinet projects easier to do with greater accuracy. Our woodworking rules are machined from aircraft-grade aluminum and anodized for surface protection and appearance. Both sides of the rule have 30-degree bevels which are engraved with inch markings. The bevels reduce parallax for faster and more accurate measuring and marking, and all our rules have center finger grooves to help position the rule. Woodpeckers' new woodworking rules come in 4 sizes: 6-inch, 12-inch, 24-inch, and 36-inch. They're great for drawing perfectly straight pencil lines or scoring veneer, and with the center scale you can quickly lay out from the center of the rule. And with our 0 to 24-inch or 0 to 36-inch rulers, you can measure on both sides of the board from the same starting point, without having to turn the rule. All our woodworking rules can be used with Woodpeckers RS2 rule stop, and most with our new hook stop. The rule stop can be placed anywhere along the rule, so you can repeatedly hook the rule to the board's edge and make as many marks as you need, and all will be exactly the same distance from the edge. Except for our 6-inch woodworking rule, all our other rulers have 2 threaded holes on each end. They mate perfectly with the hook stop to ensure an exact 90-degree reference to the edge of your board, allowing for quick, accurate measuring and marking of your woodworking projects. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, Woodpecker's new woodworking rules are manufactured in our shop just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.